Hello, 大家好. It's me, Joshua. Today we are going to study the tone change of Chinese character bu. Its original tone is si sheng, fourth tone, like 我不知道,我不想,我不喜欢. In these sentences, you can find that it has got its original tone, which is si sheng, fourth tone. But sometimes you can find in some sentences and context it has become bu, like in 不是,不会,不怕. In these cases, it is second tone, or 喜不喜欢,好不好,行不行. In these cases, it has become neutral tone. In this video, we are going to study these changes and how you can know which tone to put on the bu according to the word they are together. Without delaying, let's get started. Here we have three main cases that can help you to know the right tone that you have to use in a sentence with bu. The first one is before first tone, third tone, and third tone. We read bu, bu, which is fourth tone, like not eat, 不吃, 不吃, not okay, 不行, 不行, not care, 不管, 不管, insufficient, 不足, 不足, unpeaceful, 不安, 不安, not good, 不好, 不好, 不吃, 不行, 不管, 不足, 不安, 不好, and so on. Second case, before fourth tone, 四声前面, we read 不, 不, like don't, 不要, 不要, no or not, 不是, 不是, wrong, 不对, 不对, not bad, 不错, 不错, can't, 不会, 不会, not fear, 不怕, 不怕, and so on. In these cases, as you can see, 要, 是, 对, 错, 会, 怕, all of them have fourth tone. The third case is between words or between 重叠词, between repetitive words. For instance, 行不行, 行不行, 好不好, 好不好, 走不走, 走不走, 来不及, 来不及, 了不起, 了不起, 找不到, 找不到, 买不起, 买不起. As you can see, here there is no tone, it is a neutral tone because it is between the two words. 行不行, okay or not, 好不好, 走不走, are we going or not, 走不走, 来不及, 来不及, we don't have time for something, 了不起, 了不起, 找不到, 找不到, can't find, 买不起, 买不起, cannot afford. As you can see, between the two words it is bu with neutral tone. So in these three cases, you will immediately know which tone to use. The first one before third, second, and third. The second one before fourth tone. And the last one between the words. Now let us do practice. Which one? Bu. 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 The first one. I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 不认识,不认识. Second tone. The second one. Right. 不错,不错. The third one. Very good. 不足,不足. And the last one, right. 买不起买不起 The last question, which word is pronounced with the second sound? Which one among 4? Look. It is which one? Yes, let's see. 好不好不知道不认识差不多 So the right one is Alright, third 不认识不认识 This is the end of today's video. Hope that you found it useful. Please consider to click subscribe, like and share so that we can reach more people. Bye bye, bye bye, 再见，下次见。